Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you all are having a great weekend, and hope you had a great week this past week as the market gave us a good opportunity to capitalize on. Um, this week, I want to just take us through what I'm expecting, and yeah. So I'll start with the weekly time frame, and as you can see from the weekly time frame, that the price has gotten close to this support level, which is also close to this upward trend line over here. So just looking at the weekly time frame, I'll be expecting price to get to this support level and probably get to this trend line as well before either moving to the upside or breaking the trend line to the downside. So this area is a very important area for me. On the weekly time frame, it's a very wide area, so we'll need to narrow it down. So let's go to the daily time frame to have a look at what's happening. So on the daily time frame, as you can see throughout this past week, price was ranging a bit and didn't really move from the massive downward move of 2 weeks ago. As you can see, price was ranging and forming this triangular pattern, as you will see clearly on the 4 hour time frame. Okay. Good. So now on the 4 hour time frame, we can see price in this triangular pattern ranging, and this happened throughout this past week. So there were good opportunities to capitalize on if you were a swing trader. As a day trader, you could have capitalized on this ranging move on a smaller time frame like the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. So what I'm expecting this coming week is a breakout of this range, and so this 4 hours resistance level up here and the daily support level down here are key areas that I will be looking out for. So I'm expecting a break in either this direction or this other direction here. So when price gets to this level, two things can happen. Okay, price can either form a bullish reversal pattern from here, maybe getting all the way down to this trend line here or just around this area and moving to the upside. So you're looking to take your profit either here at the 4 hour resistance or at the daily resistance over here, and this will give us a huge profit margin. Another thing that can happen is a break of this support level as well as this trend line also. So price could break this level here and probably come back to form some sort of retest before continue down to the next support level. So this area is a very key area for us, and and you should be looking out for price reaction around this area. That is the 1755 area to 1745 area is where we should be looking for price reaction if you're a swing trader. Also, when price if price breaks out of this range and gets to this 4 hourly resistance level, one of two things can happen. Either price would bounce from this level to the downside to this daily support level, or price could break this level over here and retest it before continuing to the upside. So another key level that we have to look for price reaction in the upcoming week is this area over here. That is the 1817 area to 18707 area. So yeah, so these are the areas that we'll be looking out for in the coming week. So be patient and let's see how price reacts to this ranging pattern over here, the triangular pattern, or the triangular pattern. If we go to a much smaller time frame, say the 1 hour time frame or the 15 minutes time frame, you can also capitalize on what would happen if price breaks this level. Okay, so if you're on the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame as a day trader, you can wait for price to get to either end So price could get all the way here and look for how price reacts to this trend line up here. And if price shows a reversal pattern, you may want to sell all the way down here and see how price reacts to this level. And if there's a break of in either direction, you should be waiting for a retest, or if there's a break of this last structure over there here, you could be waiting for price to move up or break that level, come back to retest it, and a move to the upside, and you'll be looking to take your buy opportunity around here. And the same thing in the opposite direction. As a day trader, you should be looking for a break below this red line over here and a retest possibly, and looking for sell opportunities down to this area. So if you're a day trader, you should be looking for these opportunities over here in the upcoming week. If you're a swing trader like me, then you should be looking at the 4-hour chart, and you should be looking for opportunities when price gets to this blue area over here or this red area over here. So this is my analysis for gold this coming week. And remember to always ensure proper risk management, and make sure that you always have a stop loss to make sure that your account is not wiped out. Be patient and wait for price to come to you. Okay, so this is my analysis. Have a great week this coming week, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a great weekend, and hope you had a profitable week last week. Today I want to go over the Euro USD analysis for the upcoming week, and as usual I'm going to start from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, you can see that price was making an uptrend here before coming down, retracing and making another up move, but failing to break the previous high before coming downwards, forming what it looks like a double top. All right, so from the weekly time frame, you can see that price has gotten to this trend line level over here, and the market didn't really move much this coming week, forming this past week, forming an inside bar. Now this inside bar is an indication that there was some sort of consolidation, and the price can move in either direction. So a break below this a break and closure below this low here will mean a continuation to the downside, and a break and closure above this high will mean a continuation to the upside. So that's what I can see from the weekly time frame. Now when we get to the daily time frame, we can see that when price broke this support level, this daily support level over here represented by the blue zone, price went back up there and stalled for a bit, forming these rejections over here. So you can see a pin bar and a doji pattern over there as well. It means that when price got here, there were some indecisions. Some people wanted to buy and some people wanted to sell around this broken support level, now resistance level. Okay, so any break above this blue zone, break and closure above this blue zone on the daily time frame will mean a continuation to the upside, and a break and closure below this blue zone will mean a continuation to the downside. Now when we take this to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price was ranging a bit like I said, and now we'll be expecting to see how price reacts to this range. So there are two areas that I'll be looking out for this coming week on the 4-hour time frame. Then I'll take you to a much lower time frame like the 1 hour 15 minutes to see how day traders can also capitalize on this market move. Okay, so but for swing traders using the 4-hour time frame as our entry, we can see that we are in a range here. So what we'll be waiting for is reactions around this 4-hourly resistance level and around this trend line down here. So what I'm expecting is a break in either direction. So either a break to this direction here or a break of this range down to the trend line. All right. So let me start with the downward move. So when there's a break down to this trend line, we should be looking for price reaction around this trend line here, and wait for two things: either price to bounce off this trend line, forming a bullish pattern to the upside, and this will just indicate um, this W pattern over here, which is a double bottom pattern over here. So if we see a bullish pattern just like we saw here, we'll be looking to take our buy opportunities to the upside. Now if there is a break of this trend line, I would suggest that we wait for a retest, okay, of the trend line, then take our sell move down to this red zone over here. So this is what I'll be looking out for when price gets to this trend line. If price doesn't get to this trend line and price rather breaks up towards this resistance level over here, I'll be looking for price reaction around that area as well. Okay, and in this area, two things can happen. Either price forms a bullish pattern and takes price all the way back down towards this trend line or towards this level here before making the final up move, or down towards the trend line, or price breaks the resistance level, comes back to retest it, and moves to the upside. Okay, so if there is a break to the upside, I'll wait for a retest and look for bullish continuation pattern and take the trade to the upside. If there is a bearish reversal pattern over here, then I'll look for my sell trades, looking to take my profit when price gets down to this trend line over here. So as a swing trader, this is my analysis for the upcoming week for Euro USD. Now if you are a day trader, you want to go to a much smaller time frame, and if we go to the 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame, we will be looking for a break above this level here or this level down here. So any break below this level here, we'll be looking for a retest of the trend line and a move possibly to the downside. Okay, and it's going to give us a large move as a day trader, or we'll look for the break of the up move here, wait for a break of this level over here, and possibly a retest and the move to the upside. So as a day trader, that's what we'll be looking out for, a break out of this ranging zone over here. So as usual, you need to be patient. Let price come to you. Don't rush to enter the market. Be patient and always ensure proper risk management. All right, I wish you the best this coming week, and I wish you a profitable week ahead. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you had a great week last week, and hope you're having a great weekend. Today I want to talk about the my weekly analysis for GBP USD for the upcoming week. Last week we saw price ranging between these two red levels over here. I'll show you on a much smaller time frame. But what we can see on the weekly time frame is that price was making this up move, and when price got to this resistance level over here, there was a bounce to the downside, and price went up to test the level again before making another down move. So it looks like price is forming some sort of double top, and right now price is currently close to the 4-hourly support level over here. So from the weekly time frame, we can see that price could make a continuation to the upside, or price could get all the way down here to the trend line and also this support level over here, which would be a very key area for us. Okay, That's what we're seeing on the weekly time frame. Now, if we move to the daily time frame, we can see that price was making this up move and broke out of this trend to the downside, breaking this support level, now resistance over here, and getting back down to this support level over here. Now, price has price got to this support level over here and reversed up to the upside and got to this resistance level over here and bounced back and heading downwards again. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we can see that well, price is heading towards this support level over here, and we'll be looking for price reaction around that support level over here. Okay, and this is what we'll be looking for, a reaction, and also we'll be looking for a reaction here as well if price gets to this level over here. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price, like I said, price could make this move to back down to this 1.38 level, and this is will be an area where we'll be looking for to enter our trade, either a buy or sell trade, depending on what we see around when price gets to this level over here. Okay, and the next key levels that we'll be looking out for is the 1.4 level over here, as well as the 1.65 level over here. So these three areas are our key areas for the upcoming week. Okay, so what I'm expecting from this pair, as you can see from the 4-hour chart, is for price to get down here. There's a possibility that price could form a bullish reversal over here and continue to the upside, forming this double bottom. There's also the possibility that price could break this support level over here, come back to retest it and continue to the downside, either to this trend line over here or to the 1.365 level. Okay, so if price gets to this level, then we'll look to see how price reacts. But if this break occurs, we'll be looking to take our sell entry around here on a retest. And if there's a bullish formation over here, we'll be looking to take our buy entry to the upside. Again, if price doesn't get all the way down here but continues to the upside, we'll be either looking for a bearish reversal over here to take our sell trade to the downside, or we'll be looking to see if price would break this support level over here, come back to retest it, and I'm looking for our buy trade over here to take to the upside. So like I said, this 1.4 level, 1.38 level, and the 1.365 level are our key areas that we'll be looking to take our entries. So we have to be patient. Let's wait for price to get to these areas before making any move. So that's if you're a swing trader. For a day trader, I would also advise you to wait. It's possible that price can continue to the downside or to the upside. Okay, so, but what I'm saying on the 1 hour time frame is that price is forming a head and shoulder pattern over here. So that's the left shoulder, sorry, then the head, then back down here to the right shoulder and over here, and then a move back to the downside over here. So as a day trader, you will be waiting for a break of this neck over here, which has already occurred, and for price to retest it, which is happening right now, and then you take a sell trade to the downside. So our advice to wait for a sell reversal pattern over here, a sell pattern over here, before taking this trade to the downside. If we move to the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, we can look for our entries when price gives us a good opportunity to enter and take a sell to the downside. But for me, I wouldn't rush to taking any trade now. Because I take my entry on the 4-hour time frame, I'll be looking for price to get down to this level or up to this level here, or even further down to this level before I take any trade. So this is my analysis for GBP USD for the upcoming week, and make sure that you always ensure proper risk management. Don't chase the market, let the market come to you. And take care this week, and I wish you a very profitable week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you had a great week last week. I just want to take us through my analysis for Gbpjpy for the upcoming week. So as usual, we're going to start with the weekly time frame. So as you can see from the weekly time frame, price was making this up move until it got to this resistance level over here, and then came down strongly, breaking this former daily support level down to the 4-hourly support level here, represented by this red line. So that's what we can see on the weekly time frame. When we get to the daily time frame, we can see that price got to this support level over here before bouncing to the upside again, breaking this level over here, getting up but not getting quite to the resistance level over here before returning back down. So price is very close to this daily support level right now. On the weekly time frame, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is heading towards this support level over here, and this is a key level that we'll be looking for price reaction. So when price gets to this level, we'll either look for buy opportunities or continuation or sell continuation at this level here, taking price all the way down here. So if there is a sell opportunity at this level here, then we'll take it to the downside, and if there's a buy opportunity at this level over here, we'll take it to the upside. So essentially, this area is a very key area for us for the upcoming week, because I'm expecting price to get to that area there. So if you're a swing trader, this is what I'm expecting. If you are a day trader and you're in a hurry to take a trade, even though I don't suggest you be in a hurry, that you always wait for the market to come to you. We can wait for price to get down to this level over here. Let me put this red line over here, this area over here represented by this red line. Yeah, it's a very key area because it's tested here. Price broke it, came back to test it. Price also tested it over here, came all the way back down, broke it, tested it here, and now price is heading back towards that level. So if price gets to this level here, then you should be looking for either a buy or sell opportunity, which also falls in this zone that we talked about earlier. Looking at this as well, I can see that there's a level over here as well, and price is just currently around that level as well. So if price forms a reversal pattern around here to buy, you can as well buy this area and take it to the upside, okay, to this zone over here. And if you're a swing trader, you should be looking for opportunities around this area over here. But if price breaks it back down to this area, then you should be looking to take some opportunities around here. And any break of this red line to the downside will mean a continuation to the downside, and you should look for a sell trade. So like I said earlier, this area is a very, very key area for us, and we should be looking to take our opportunities around this area. We can also, to aid your entry, you can also take this downtrend line as well, and wait for price to break this trend line to the upside to take an up trade to the upside. That's if price goes to the upside. If not, wait for price to get here and see price reaction, or wait for price to break it to sell, wait for price to form a bullish pattern to buy. That is my analysis for Gbpjpy. Nothing much, but just to wait, because we're almost there, to see how price reacts to that key level or that key area over here. So this is my analysis for Gbpjpy. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe, and have a great week this coming week, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.